that ODM need to restrain itself is this time. Because our party leader is going to be the AU chairperson. I believe, I'm convinced, he has the competence and competencies that are requisite for that position. I also know that the President of the Republic of Kenya has put his foot down to support him so that he's a chairperson in Ethiopia. But let me repeat, for avoidance of doubt, while we are looking votes for a party leader, we ask him to pull back and leave politics to us for now. I know that yesterday he made a decision that is going to transfer leadership. If he wins the position, he will transfer leadership to Paranya and Joho. I repeat for a fourth time, in every election, when elections are called, I'm going to vie as the Secretary General of ODM. Because I want ODM to have discipline. I want ODM to have order. I want ODM to prepare itself to form government in 2032 when I'll be vying in this country. I know the government has put his foot down on issues I call. I think what is important, number one, which the government is doing, is to ensure that only licensed bars operate. Now, those manufacturing illegal alcohol that is killing our generations must be stopped at whatever cost. I watched Bishop Margaret talking this morning on social media and TV. I want to ask her as a bishop of church, restrain yourself. Restrain yourself. If the stove burns, it should burn equally. Even if it is my father who is occupying government land, I will not resist if state wants to repossess their land.